Cyclone Ramal updates. Awesome! Cyclone Ramal with speeds of 110-120 kilometers per hour. Assam is also affected. Where did the administration issue warnings? Cyclone Ramal is a devastating cyclone. Cyclone Ramal, which originated in the Bay of Bengal, hit the coastal areas of West Bengal and Bangladesh on Sunday. Cyclone Ramal is a devastating cyclone. Cyclone Ramal, which originated in the Bay of Bengal, hit the coastal areas of West Bengal and Bangladesh on Sunday. Cyclone Ramal, which was moving at 110 to 120 km per hour, had a speed of 135 km per hour when it hit the coastal areas. The orange alert has been declared in Dhubri, South Sharmara, Bongaigaon, Bajali, Tamilpur, Barpeta, Nalbari, Morigaon, Nagon, Hoja and West Karbi Anglong. The red alert has been issued in Chirang, Gurupara, Buxa, Dina Hasao, Kachar, Hailakandi and Karimganj. These districts will experience heavy rains and thunderstorms. The storm will hit southern Assam with speeds of about 60 km per hour today. Meghalaya will also be affected. The Disaster Mitigation Department is on alert to control the situation. The Disaster Management Department has issued warnings and directives to all districts in view of the situation. The Disaster Mitigation Department has already contacted all the district commissioners. NDRF teams have been sent to Kachar, Bangalore, and Dibrugarh. SDRF and Fire Brigade are on alert. Ramal started to affect Assam and the northeast. Cyclone Ramal has caused passenger ferries and ships to be suspended on the banks of the Brahmaputra in Guwahati. Water transport services between Guwahati and North Guwahati will be closed till Tuesday. The cyclone is expected to hit the Bay of Bengal. However, the directive will not apply to boats carrying goods and labor used in the construction of the Guwahati-North Guwahati Bridge. There are many places in the state where lightning and thunderstorms have occurred. Guwahati is also experiencing moderate winds and rain. The rain also touched various parts of Assam. The northeast is also affected by Cyclone Ramal in the South Bay of Bengal. Heavy rains are expected in parts of Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland for the next 5 days. Winds of 30 to 40 km per hour will be expected. The snowfall is expected to be 100 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, Tripura will also be hit by Cyclone Ramal. All educational institutions in Tripura have been declared closed till May. Flights have also been cancelled in Tripura. Tripura Chief Secretary and Director General of Police held a high-level meeting to discuss the situation. Tripura Disaster Mitigation Department and Airport Authority urged the people of the state to take precautions during the storm. The administration has urged people to stay at home during the storm. The storm will hit Tripura for 2 days with speeds of about 60 km per hour. The administration has launched a free helpline number for assistance.